Hi everyone, welcome back to Diamond Paintings with Mike. We got another Crafting with Hannah Vinted package here today that I purchased. Really love these little stickers that she got. She does the same as me. When I send a parcel, I like to make sure that it's like a present vibe. I don't want to just shove it in a box and send it off. You need to make it very special, and it's nice that Hannah's incorporated that. See if we've got any others on here, and we've got they're so nice you don't really want to get rid of them, but you've got a lovely little present there, present for a boxlet. And a blue tit, I think that is. So yeah, look at this straight away, lovely packaging. Oh, she's doing an Amazon, look, Amazon shoving loads of bubble wrap and paper and stuff. I actually saw a video on TikTok, yeah, and this woman literally ordered 2 stairgates and they put so much paper in. It was like literally probably about from Glasgow to Land's End, I don't know, but yeah, there was so much. So inside here we got some goodies, just checking that's everything, and yeah, lovely. So let's pop that down here. Now, we've got a little note here and it says, "Hi Mike, thank you for your order. I've added in some extra trays, bags and wax I found. Enjoy." Oh, thank you so much, Hannah. That's really nice of you because, as you know, I am desperate for trays. I can never get enough trays. So if people just fancy, like if they're clogging up your house or anything, just whack them on Vinted. Give me your Vinted shop thing and I will buy them off you. Because I'm always needing trays. I used to get fed up with them everywhere, but the more projects I, launch, the more trays I need. So yeah, thank you very much, Hannah. So she's included some extra trays, which is ever so kind of her. And inside here we have some of the lovely, what I try to do, I'd be ever so careful with, when I get bubble wrap, I try to save it because I'm always using it for like sending stuff off and stuff. So if I can salvage it, I will, but if not, it goes in the trash. But yeah, I will try and say, oh, these are quite big ones. Wow, okay, yeah, lovely. Yeah, I'll salvage that easy. Beautiful. So these, do you remember back in the day when I got this stuck to the desk? Well, this time round, I'm going to stick it to this craft mat. There is no way I'm sticking this to the desk because when I stuck it to the desk, it pulled off, I think, the film or the varnish of it. So the plan of action, stick it on here because these are the whole point of getting these mats is to protect your worktop surface. So as you can see, they're sticky. So the idea is that you put it down like this, and then you can put your tray there like that, and then I don't have to go like I knock my hand and it just, and I don't have to like knock my hand and it goes flying. So it sticks there, and then, oh, it's not very sticky. Oh wow, okay, let's try this side. But then again, I don't think it, oh yeah, that, nah, ooh, it's not very sticky, so that's a pain. Well, it will stay there. It's just, if you was to, yeah, that's better, lovely. So it's sticking now, but it's just to save me like accidentally, knocking it and they all fall out. So, and you can, as you can see, the stick isn't great, but it comes off really nice. So, and that way I can peel that up and it doesn't wreck me mat. So, these are fabulous. So when I saw she had these, I was like, oh my God, I've got to have them. I've got to have them because I've been looking for these for quite a while. But just kept forgetting to like order them. So we get 3 different colours here. We've got our green, we've got ourselves the dreaded purple, which I can't stand, but I'm collecting quite some purple things for Halloween. I've always associated purple with Halloween, and look at this beautiful Bananarama colour. It's the beautiful yellow. So yeah, 3 packs of them, fabulous. So I'll get sticking them on my mat at some point. Then we go into these lovely trays. So I don't think I can salvage this bubble wrap, but that's not a problem. We can just dive into it. Look at this. Yes. Oh, I've never been so happy over a pack of trays. But our collection of diamond paintings is just getting bigger and bigger and bigger, and I need more trays and more wax and bags, and yeah, bags are becoming quite difficult to find as well. I have found that the only way you can get bags now is in Hinkler products, or sometimes with the range, because most of the Temu now are not, it's like very hit and miss. So wow, oh yes, look at this, oh mamma mia, thank you so much, yes, oh look at this, fabulous. So we have 1, I'm a celebrity, get me out for counting the stars, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, fabulous, excellent, thank you so much. Beautiful, so I'll get them kitted up today. Hannah's Veg, oh look at that. That's a really nice little case. I'm always losing my wax on my desk and I'm like, where have I put it now? So this is going to come in quite handy. You've got a lovely little clasp there. You've got 2 sheets of the blue, very beautiful indeed, and beautiful selection of wax. So yeah, thanks for that little tub there. And once I'm finished with this, again, you can use it for refilling your wax, or if you wanted to, shove a stick on there and put some jewels in there. It always acts as a, you know, a storage thing for, it doesn't have to be for wax, so that's good. We've got this, I've got a couple of these, so that's quite nice to have. So I don't know, because obviously you've put on the note here, I've added some extra trays, bags and wax, so I assume that they're these ones, because when I bought the listing, it was this and then jelly wax things. So yeah, we've got this one, which I've actually got a blue one. I don't think I've got a pink one though, so this is fabulous, excellent. And then we've got this one. This is really nice because you can have it on your desk and you don't have to worry about, right, I need this one and then I need that one. You've got 2 colours in one, it's fantastic. And I think if we're very careful, you see these little slots at the back here, these slot into here. So the idea is that it goes like that, so you can join it up and then you've got 4 in 1. Look at that, all in one. So you can have your paint in there, your drills there, and you don't even have to worry about all them other trays. But this is fantastic, really happy with my product. And here's the selection of bags, yes. Oh, I've so needed bags for so long. And yeah, oh, these are oh wow, okay, so there's small ones and then there's big ones. That's going to come in really handy for like the color block bags, drills, because when you've got color block, you'll find that you probably get 2 or 3 packs of one color in your diamond painting, so that's going to be perfect, absolutely brilliant. So yeah, a really I can't remember what I was going to say, but really nice order there. And as I said, Hannah, for some reason it won't let me put the feedback thing. It just won't come up for some reason. So as I said, I think you're right in what you say. After the 15th, it will push it along, hopefully. As soon as I see it, I mean, I won't get notified until after the 15th, but as soon as I see that feedback, I'll leave you a 5-star review. So yeah, thanks very much, Hannah, absolutely brilliant purchase. And I think I only paid, I can't remember now, I think it was like a £5, so I think that's well worth the money. But yeah, as I say, if you're selling paint, if you're a seller on Vinted, please list your trays. I'm on there nearly every night. If I see them, I will snap them up. So if you're looking to get some extra cash, then whack them on Vinted and I'll buy them. So yeah. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and if you haven't done so already, always tap that notification bell so that you can be alerted as and when a video pops up on the channel. Until next time, that's a Crafting with Hannah haul brought to you by Vinted. Take care. See you next time.